Thanks for joining me. My name is Simone and I'm going to attempt to do an all-natural foot detox. Now I looked online and it's pretty much a Chinese practice of detoxifying your body through your feet. And there are so many different ways you could do that. You can do a foot soak, or you can do a miniature version of that by using self-adhesive gauze pads and putting the solution on that pad and sticking it on the bottom of your foot and sleeping with it overnight. So I'm going to attempt to do that. The one that I'm going to do consists of me using all natural ingredients. Literally all I'm going to do is boil onion and garlic in water, let the solution boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it cools, I'm gonna get a little dropper, or maybe just a spoon if I can't find my dropper. Just get a spoon and kind of soak the gauze, and I'm gonna attach it to my foot and sleep with it, and then in the morning I should see some results. Now, since you're going to be sleeping with this or having this attached to your foot overnight, it's a good idea to go ahead and take your shower and get cleaned up and to put it on right before you go to bed so that you're not walking around with it, because I don't think you really want to accidentally get garlic and onion juice on the floor. And it's just best if you're in a resting position for over 8 hours to get the effect going to actually detoxify your body.
Approximately 10 hours later.